I was in this video. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. So Shenseea drop a song called Puni Police. Zimmy, now Shenseea, the business what you want to say, you know? Me have you, me I watch that too. I said it. But go jump in it. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. No, me get in a trouble. Me get them a threaten me if you give me channel strike. Because what? Me now pause the video every 10 to 17 seconds. Me I make it play out. The past couple of videos them they take copyright credentials tonight and I put it through one bag of fuckery. So I'm sorry if we pause the video every 10 to 15 seconds, bro. It's because we are trying to avoid the copyright claim and try to avoid that long process for see if that gonna get accepted or not. And so far people are telling me say them want the video come down in 6 days or something like that, isn't it? So yo, like, comment, share, subscribe. So please forgive me if I see me pause every 10 to 15 seconds. I think Shenseea break out on the scene faster than any other dancehall artist. And people speculate say because her color, but bro, don't forget this girl is fucking talented. Please. She's very talented, bro. Like, very. Only yes, her color, whatever no one call it, cause in Jamaica they have a color prejudice thing. But trust me, bro. Shenseea is talented.
Give me some room to breathe.
Jesus Christ, my heart. Lord of God. Give me some tea. Me feel bad. Oh, Shenseea favor ching chong ching chong ching. Jaja.
I just need some space from you.
Any girl tell me say they want space, you know. I want space she get and is my space. And that delete long time as Instagram and TikTok now. So you better want TikTok me or Instagram me or that me I tell you.
It not supposed to feel like this with someone new.
Give it a body. Give it a body.
Yeah, the boy no give you space on him. No set you free, then you better believe him. Puni police. If him go cut a key, put a track up on your Vicks, then you better believe.
Pull up this bomb buckle out here. Come with the one drop. Ferrari. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, Zin.
Give me some room to breathe.
Hold on. Cause not gonna like say yo, we not have to come back right there, so.
Give me some room.
Look on Shenseea. Look how Shenseea cute. Cute
To breathe. I just need some space from you.
And again, you not get no space. My space done a long time. Alright.
It not supposed to feel like this with someone new.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah, the boy no give you space on him. No set you free, then you better believe him. Puni police. If him go cut a key, put a track up on your Vicks, then you better be.
Alright. Putting a track up on the vehicle now is a different type of obsession, that brother. Me not go so far. No. But Shenseea, you might have some exceptions.
Leave him Puni police. Run when you see Puni police. Hide when you see Puni police. Me say he make me feel like say me is a thief. Cause me they
Are you wrong for go there that police officer still? Cause them man they start pum pum hard, you know. Sorry.
run from a Puni police. First things first, me buy me phone and I it you want search. When you want sir, you gotta get your heart hurt. Location, ear tag in my purse.
Bombo clock. Dr. Umar! Dr. Umar! Dr. Umar did one them.
Blouse and skirt, how you reach on me work. Hot gal enough for everybody, my youth. Comment on my picture, them a that's I'm mad you. You're too insecure, so you lose. That's why I'm on.
Yo, me not tell the line, bro. Shenseea is beautiful. I said it. Fight me later.
Need you to
dog have a ear tag to blood clot. Yo. Shenseea. Man, them a go cuss you. Cause them say you give you them secret.
It's not supposed to feel like this with someone new.
Is a vibrator that... This nigga just take out a vibrator, bro? Did this nigga just take out a vibrator a while ago? Hold on. Make it new. This nigga right here, bro. This nigga, bro. And him smell it too. But that's a Shenseea. Signature. Primes. The man a chuck Shenseea, fuck.
No give your space on him, no set you free, then you better believe him a Puni police. If him go put a key, put a track up on your Vicks, then you better believe.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, please. And again, we apologize for pausing. We are trying to avoid the copyright claim. That's why we listen to the song and we just react to it. This is what the reaction is all about.
Him a Puni police. Run. Run when you see Puni police. Hide when you see Puni police. Me say, it make me feel like me is a thief. Cause me, they are run from a...
Bro, I'm so proud of Shenseea, bro. I wish I was in this video.
Puni police. Imagine me give you a chance, and this is how you go. True me tell you, cuff me up, you take it literal. You not sleep, you not sit, you can't stop me from cheat. If
Shenseea, you know, say you promote this cheating thing too much, brother. I'm a sick and tired that you promote this cheating thing. That's how we're not a good girl out the road again, you know. That's why Jamaica full of so much jacket in her youth. Shenseea need to stop it.
one cheat, so me say watch it.
Bumbo clad. You man hide behind the bushes, bro.
You watch me every move. Your pee clock, dirty attitude. Make me feel like I want run away. I feel everyone post smell one day.
Nah, I'm gonna lie, still no, bro. Just look on Shenseea, bros. Chrome skin. Shenseea knows me would have a pretty baby. Look at my skin, look at yours. Look at my face, look at yours.
Give me some room to breathe. I just need some space from you.
And Shenseea, let me say, you're not getting a space from me, you know. So right now, I don't even rank this youth here, you know. You hear me I tell you? That me I make you know.
It's never supposed to feel like this with someone new.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
No give your space on him, no set you free, then you better believe him a Puni police. If him go cut a key, put a track up on your Vicks, then you better believe him a Puni police.
I am a Puni police for you, Shenseea, you only. Okay? Okay.
Run when you see Puni police. Hide when you see Puni police. Me say, it make me feel like me is a thief. Cause me, they are run from a Puni police.
Alexa, stop. Thank you. No, that's the video. First thing first, I want to say, Shenseea, beautiful. I mean, beautiful song. Beautiful song. You're beautiful too. But I like the concept of the song. I think Shenseea produced, the genius produced great music, great rhythm, and the genius never wrong when time him find we want to put on him song. So yes, the genius, big up yourself. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Cannot even deny the fact that this is a banger. Feel like this is gonna be one of them hit song there. You see me? Like the Shenseea again. The girl them are gonna run with this. No. Yeah, Puni Poli, them are gonna run with it. No, Lord of God. The Shenyangs. But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.